Hi everyone, welcome to Loops and Hooks. This is Roshna Deepak. Today I'm going to show you how to make chain stitches. It's very simple and this is one of the foundation of the crochet patterns. If you are a beginner, you should definitely know how to do chain stitches. That's very important. Before that, please do subscribe my videos and there will be a small bell icon too. If you click that, you will get notification when I upload new videos. So let's start. Here I'm using 5 mm hook and an acrylic woolen thread. Firstly, we have to put a slip knot. For that, what you have to do is you should wrap the yarn around the two fingers, your index finger and your middle finger. Then you will get a cross like this. And now I'm going to put my hook underneath this yarn. Now twist the hook and this yarn. I'm just pulling out this yarn out and leave those yarn which is with your left hand. Put the knot and pull the yarn. Now we got a slip knot to start up your work. So let's make chain stitches. That you have to hold the crochet hook in your right hand. If you are a left-handed person, you can hold with your left hand. So bring your yarn over hook from back to front and grab it with hook. Draw hooked yarn through slip knot. This makes one chain stitch. Okay, we'll make another one. Wrap the yarn around the hook. You may notice how I turn the hook and pull it through the loop. So we got another one. That's our second chain stitch. So repeat the same steps until you have the desired number of stitches. Okay, yarn around the hook, pull it through the loop. Okay, yarn around the hook, pull it through the loop. Okay, so continue doing this sequence until you achieve the desired chain length. So yarn over and pull it through the loop. Okay, remember one thing, when you count chains of your work, don't count the loop. Why? Because the loop won't consider as a chain. Okay, so you all will have a doubt about what is yarn over. I'll clear the doubt. Wrapping the yarn over your crochet hook, called a yarn over. It's the most basic step to every stitch in crocheting. Yarn over can be used before or after insert the hook into the next stitch. And sometimes you yarn over 2 or more times depending on the stitch. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that when you're crocheting, holding and twisting the yarn and hook are the very important thing you should remember. If the way you're holding and twisting are wrong, then you cannot stitch properly and easily, and it'll feel difficult to continue. I'm not making you confusion. It's not a big deal. Try as much as you want, you will get it. So yarn over and pull it through the loop. So these are the only 2 steps you should remember when you make chain stitches. So yarn over again, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Okay, this is how we make chain stitches. Hope you guys got it, how to make chain stitches. Thanks for watching and bye for now.